All right, this is definitely the nicest scooter I've ever ridden, under $300. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you everything about it. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. All of you know, back when I used to live in New York, I was on electric scooters almost every single day. It's one of the best ways, if not the best way, to get around, whether you're going to the skate park, you're going to the store, and you're getting around the community. And I've ridden so many. In today's video, I'm riding the Mega Wheels A6L. A lot of you who watch my videos not just ride regular scooters, but use electric scooters to get around. We're going to do a water pickup. That's what we're doing first. I'm going to do my best to get all of you to understand what I'm feeling riding this. We'll go through all the specs, the features, top speed, and all that. We need to go pick up water, so let's go. All right, you got a 300-watt motor, which means 15 miles an hour and 15-mile range. But getting on this, the first thing I noticed is how smooth the ride is. When I got the scooter, it was mostly assembled. The only thing I had to do was unfold it, lock the front, which is actually really sturdy. Most other scooters kind of have that little play, a little shake in the head tube, and it always freaks me out. It reminds me of a loose headset. It was a lot safer this way. And all I had to do was tighten these 6 screws, put the top handlebar in. You have 10-inch pneumatic tires, which contribute to the really smooth ride. You have 3 speeds, and a light in the front and a light in the back. And at first, when I stepped on the scooter, I noticed how big it felt, how high you are off the ground. But after riding it for about a week now, it actually helps make the ride even smoother, because that gives you some clearance going over speed bumps, going off curbs. All right, we gotta get some water.
Those foods rewards you when finished.
This is probably the only way I can bring this home. Mission complete. So no water was harmed during the filming of this video. I made it to the spot. I'm gonna have a little session on my scooter. Before we get into that, I wanted to thank Mega Wheels for sponsoring this video. Had the scooter for 2 weeks, been riding it for 1. Agreed to working with Mega Wheels for this video. Main reason is that I know a lot of you ride electric scooters and could benefit from this. Under $300, usually you don't see something like this. The Mega Wheels A6L Eco electric scooter is designed for a smooth ride. With a 300-watt motor, with speeds up to 15.5 miles an hour and a 15-mile range, the scooter is perfect to get around in your neighborhood, to and from the store, to and from the skate park. A more efficient, smooth way to get around. With the 10-inch pneumatic tires, you're gonna have a really smooth ride, no matter if you're hitting bumps, going off curbs, getting into a little dirt and gravel. Riding the scooter today, I also noticed that the brake system is insanely smooth, responsive, but not sharp. With the safe dual brake system, you can get that quick brake without a too sudden of a stop, which usually results in the back wheel lifting up. But since you have the dual brake system, when you stop, very smooth, very responsive. You have cruise control in case you want to let go of the throttle. You have an anti-theft electronic lock, so when you park this, no one else can ride it except for you. And you have a smart fault diagnosis. Within the app, you can work with a support team if anything is up with your scooter, you have any questions. Appreciate Mega Wheels for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to check out this scooter and looking for, in my eyes, the best scooter for under $300, be sure to check that first link in the description, grab yourself one, check out the Mega Wheels A6L, and let me know in the comments if this is something you would use and how. All right, quick little session, and then I gotta get home and edit and do a couple things and eat. Okay, that last trick took way too long. I've done that before. I recently learned just the backward version of that trick, and the last time I did that, I learned it in 10 minutes. But for some reason, different day, different challenge. But at least we got it done. I am going to take this and cruise home. I'm beyond hyped to showcase this scooter in today's video. Electric scooters are something that a lot of people not just use for leisure purposes, but need. It's a really efficient way to get from the store with a case of water to your house, no matter where you are. If you guys are looking for one, be sure to check the link in the description. Thank you, Mega Wheels, for sponsoring today's video. Let me know in those comments how you would use this scooter if you had one yourself. I've been looking forward to having a conversation with you guys in the comments below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.